So hi guys, this is going to be my food web. It's going to be on Google Slides. I'm going to present it. Let's see how this works. So what are food chains and food webs? A food chain is a group of connections of one organism eating another, and a food web, however, is a group of food chains that interact through species that eat the same food. So, yeah. I'm going to be using the desert as my biome. Check it out. It's all sandy. There's no really much life around here. Let's continue. So here are my animals and plants from my very first food chain. There's a hawk, a snake, rats, grass, and beetles. See how this thing unfolds. Going along very nicely. It's complete now. Grass is a producer. Rats are omnivores, also a first-level consumer. Snakes are carnivores, also a second-level consumer. Hawks are carnivores, also a third-level consumer. And beetles are decomposers, which means they eat dead bodies. Here are my animals and plants from my second food chain. There's a fox, rabbits, grass, and beetles. My second food chain. Looks pretty nice. Grass is, like I said, a producer. Rabbits are herbivores, also a first-level consumer. A fox is an omnivore, which means they eat both plants and flesh and meat, also a second-level consumer. Beetles, like I said, are decomposers. Here are my animals and plants from my last food chain. There's hawks, snakes, rabbits, grass, and beetles. Last food chain. See how this one unfolds. All of the descriptions here you have seen before. Let's hope you paid attention. And now let's see my entire food web. Here are my animals. Of course, the sun is here to provide the sunlight for the photosynthesis, for the producer. And let me just explain these arrows. Due to the fact that this is a decomposer, everything is eaten by this if it's dead. However, see this arrow right here? The beetles are actually eaten by the rats if they're both alive. So now all of this here is just their descriptions, like omnivores consumers, carnivores consumers, and herbivores consumers, as well as decomposers and producers. And we're done. Yay! Bye!